Today I'm going to show you how to do a smoky eye using the new NARS Quad in Singapore. I'm going to start with larger than life eyeliner in via Veneto by applying this to the waterline only. Look down. And in the upper waterline. Make sure you blend it into the lash line. Maybe look to the left and down. Then I'm going to use NARS Velvet Eyeliner in the color Mambo. Then I'm going to take a small blending brush. This is the NARS 44 brush. Then using this shade, I'm going to blend the color right on top of the Mambo pencil. This is our 42 brush, and I'm just going to buff out the edges. I'm going to use a little bit of loose powder to diffuse the edges, make it a little bit softer. Then go back in with the 44, and maybe look down. We just want to press in a little bit more pigment towards the base of the lashes. I'm then going to take the bronze shade here on my forefinger. Let me have you look down. And I'm going to press this right onto the lid, taking the lightest shade here on a clean brush. If you look to your left, I'm going to apply this into the inner corner. I'm then going to use the NARS Climax mascara, and I'm going to wiggle the mascara from the root of the lash. This is going to give more of a feathered, wispy look.